In this video we are going to learn entering and editing data in cells. This includes typing text, numbers into cells, as well as using basic editing commands like cut, copy, and paste. Working with rows, columns, and sheets. This includes inserting and deleting rows and columns, as well as creating, renaming, and deleting sheets. Here I am going to put some numerical values in the cells. Next I am going to put some text values in the cells. Now I am going to show how to copy cells. This can be done by selecting the cells and pressing Ctrl+C, or by right-click and copy option. Then to paste those cells I shall click the destination cells and press Ctrl+V. Now I shall show to cut and copy the cells. You can easily do it by selecting those cells and right-click to select cut option, or just select those cells and press Ctrl+X. Now I shall show inserting and deleting rows and columns. Now see how to insert new sheets, rename a sheet, and copy a sheet, and how to delete sheets. Hope this video was helpful. Now move to the next video of the basic Excel course.